As we go through this second semi-final, you saw the shot there. Parchment from Lacovia, Getting from Rosses, Coley from Kingston College, Lewis from Clarendon College. He will go in 5. And Daniel Allen will be the other competitor. He runs out of lane 4 from Calabar. Ricardo Lee in the 1500 meters for Jamaica College. He runs out of 3.
He's expected to be the dominant force in this race.
Shadane Blake from Fruit Technical comes in with 2 minutes 23.20. He runs out of 2. And Chandler Williams from St. George's College will run in lane 1. This is semi-final 2 of 3. Class 3 boys, 800 meters. Kingston College already assured of the defending champion. Well, not the defending champion, won the 1500 last year. And Etubo looking now to have 2 in the final. Coley gets out well. The inside Chandler from St. George's College wanting to ensure that when they cut over in lane number 1 that he's in front. As there's a flag, there are a couple of flags on that back stretch.
I see Ricardo Lee struggling with his ID and lanyard. I really feel coach we should have a mechanism to make sure they do not run with them.
It's not a good practice and it hinders a lot of the movement taking place with their arms. So I'm in agreement with you.
You can hear the decibel levels rising because the top 3, Jamaica College, Kingston College and Calabar, and I said the top 3 in this race. Some might say that that is how they could finish at the end of championship. He crosses the line in round about 59 seconds.
So technically he'll be right behind Etubo at this stage. Probably the only athlete who has even challenged Etubo this season at 800 meters.
So Lee from Jamaica College continues to lead. The battle is on for second position, and that is being held by Coley from Kingston College. Lewis from Clarendon College is trying to get close. So too Allen from Calabar. The lead continues to stretch. Jamaica College's Ricardo Lee, silver already at championship in the 1500 meters. He swings off the bend. Looks as if he will take them home. But what will happen to second spot? Coley from Kingston College, Lewis from Clarendon College looking to close. Looks as if he has too much work to do. But look, it's Lee from Jamaica College who will come across the line in 2:03.65.
Adjusted to 2:03.68. Coley from Kingston College second. 2:08.09. So KC, I would submit, Murray is hoping to score heavily in this event, having 2 in the finals now, including the odds-on favorite for the gold.
Yes, KC doing the right thing, getting their athletes in the finals. But of course, Lee showed dominance and the champ's fever is high. And he went out there to make a statement, and he did. He's not going to lay down and die. As you watch a replay, he started to run from almost the 250 meter mark, even though he was all the way in front. He kept on pressing, maybe saying that he wanted to run below 2:02. And there was Coley making sure to maintain his spot as an automatic qualifier for the finals. So it is Lee who came in as the second rated athlete who would have gotten the job done for his team and is in the finals.
And by the way, I did say it was Camden College's Lewis, the central